Hi, David here from Jotform, here to show you how to send form submissions to your MySQL database with PHP. Start by creating any type of form online with our drag and drop form builder. Then, create a MySQL database specifically for your form. Name your database and list the number of columns you'd like to add based on the number of form fields. Fill out the table with the names of your form fields. You can also save information about submission ID and form ID. Now it's time to edit your form's PHP script. Start by editing the database credentials. Then find and replace all table names. Get the unique names of the fields from your form and add them to your script. Make sure to repeat the same steps for your other form fields. Save the file with the .php extension and upload it to your server. Now let's set up your form to use HTTP post. From the Settings tab, enable the Send Post Data option. Go to your Thank You page settings to redirect users to an external link when they've completed your form. Paste the URL of the PHP file you've just uploaded. Make sure to test your form when you're finished. Now all submission data will automatically be sent to your MySQL database. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on how to collect data with Jotform.